Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to explain in brief what is Creator Academy of Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to know, let's open the Binance application at very first and go to the Binance Square by tapping into my profile, and after that choosing this Square option from shortcuts, and after that you will get to see this Academy option directly. Tap to the Academy, and after that you can select so many options into this Academy. Now let's understand it quickly. Binance Academy is a place where you can find so many articles and solutions of many problems and informations about things such as NFT, DeFi, blockchain and security and many more. And from this section you can find and master any of the required fields. If you select NFT, you can see so many questions into this section. Now you can just simply open it and read it, and you can understand related topics very easily. It is well explained in order to make you understand very easily, such as this is about what is metaverse real estate. Now after reading this, as you can see here, it is divided into many parts such as introduction, and it explains how it exists in metaverse and all that stuff. And similarly you can see so many others such as blockchain. If you select blockchain, you can also get to see so many articles and solutions into here. And after reading this, you will learn a lot of things about cryptos, NFTs, bitcoins and many more things. And after that you can easily master your crypto journey, and that's why it is called Binance Square Academy. I hope you understand everything that I told you just now. If yes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update in the future. Thank you for watching the video.